Let's get to know the Oase Bitron C55 and C110 UV clarifiers. The numbers 55 and 110 refer to the wattages of the UV lamps inside. Water pumped through these clarifiers is exposed to a wavelength of ultraviolet light that stops microorganisms from reproducing, keeping water clear. Bitron C clarifiers can qualify for the Oase Clear Water Guarantee when combined with the proper pump and filter. In addition to warranty and safety information, the manual goes over what's included, installation options, startup and operating instructions, and maintenance procedures. There are 3 bags of fittings, 2 for inlet options and 1 for the outlet options. 1 bag of inlet fittings contains a 4-step adapter for hoses from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches, with 3 hose clamps and a flat washer. Because the smaller diameter steps will decrease the flow significantly, a nozzle adapter is included for low-flow applications. We'll talk about that when we open the unit. The next inlet bag contains a single union adapter and gasket that fit both 1.5" and 2" Schedule 40 pipe. The outlet bag includes 2 stepped adapters for 3/4 inch to 1.5" hose, 2 hose clamps for large and small hoses, and all the gaskets needed for both inline and filter-mounted applications. In these applications, the clarifier must always be mounted horizontally, right side up. The Bitron C attaches directly to a number of Oase pond filters, including the BioSmart, Biotech Screenmatic, and ProfiClear series. The output ports on the Bitron line up with the corresponding inlets on the pond filters. Regardless of mounting option, 2 bypass valves adjust water flow to optimize ultraviolet exposure. Set both handles to the actual flow rate coming from the filter pump. The window on top lets you see that the lamp is emitting light. It's safe to look at because it filters out harmful UV rays. To open the housing for periodic cleaning or bulb replacement, turn the locking screw to the unlocked symbol, then depress the blue button and twist the head counterclockwise to the stop. Pull the quartz sleeve straight out, bearing in mind the seal may be stiff. A cleaning rotor rides on the outside of the sleeve, powered by the flow of water from the pump. Fins on the end spin the rotor, which then scrapes off any debris on the screen. For low-flow applications, the nozzle inserts into the inlet farthest from the head to concentrate the incoming water flow onto the fins of the rotor. And that's everything you need to know about unboxing the Oase Bitron C55 and C110 UV clarifier, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out the website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.